Guys, we're gonna be doing something crazy. Let me show you in a second. I just have to fill this bag up.
I'm as heavy as a titanium brick.
Yes, you are. Oh.
Or
I need to
tungsten
wait.
cube, whatever.
But don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. We're gonna do it at the same second.
Okay.
So this one's full. This one's full. So.
That one must be empty.
Yes, yes, yes. So
That
we
one-
have to wait. Wait. What happened to your goat, bro? You're not a goat no more.
Want me to be a goat? I can go back to goat.
Wait.
Ah,
I'm
hello.
just telling y'all guys that this is gonna take a while.
hello. I'm a goat again. This one. Oh.
Why am I getting so many cooldowns, bro? Bro, my cooldown. Telegrenade, 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 telegrenade. You can even skip through the start, bro. Like Loki, I can't do this. Come on, bro. Okay. Boom.
Okay, we ready to? We ready or not quite yet?
What?
Okay, there's like a billion copies of
So
ourselves.
we're at the
right
part,
now.
guys.
Moment you've been waiting for.
I think I'm only gonna need 2 of these backpacks because I don't
Yes,
think.
only 2.
But guys, this is gonna be crazy. So let's do it right by the German Shepherd thing.
Hold up. Yep.
Okay.
Probably empty. Open. Open.
Wait. 3, 2, 1. Any second now.
Oh wait, one side has no.
My game is lagging so bad. Oh my god.
Okay, then all the rest are unactivated.
You saw me? I was like.
I'm going everywhere.
Are we gonna do the glitch? Wait! Get your balloons, get your balloons. Get your balloons! I said get your balloons. Do you have balloons? Can you give me like 4 balloons?
Yeah.
I wanna go flying.
Yeah, we can go flying. Do you understand what the term of flying means? 'Cause
Yes,
can send
I
you
just need balloons,
flying
bro.
If you want.
Just keep giving me balloons, balloons, balloons. Give me like 43. Yes.
Oh, cool down.
I need to stick myself to the floor.
Well, I'm out of here.
I just need to reach one more.
Me. Bye me.
Okay. Go. Bye. I'm flying.
Bye
like
yourself.
Heaven.
You're as light as heaven. Or clouds or whatever.
No.
I don't know.
No!
Yes!
My yachts flying in the sky.